Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage. This is our latest arrival, 2019 on a 69 plate Toyota Aygo X-Play. This is the 1 litre petrol with a 5-speed manual gearbox and 5 doors, finished in Electro grey metallic, and it's covered just 14,000 miles. So we'll have a good walk around this very low mileage 5-door Aygo. Ever popular with us, as I'm sure you'll know if you've followed us for a while. One of our most popular small 5-door hatchbacks. Such a good news car. September 2019 registered. It's covered just 14,000 miles from 2 former keepers. Excellent service history right the way through its life. We've got 5 recorded services, so pretty well annually from new. Looks a really classy little car in this Electro grey metallic. It's got the 1 litre 3-cylinder petrol engine with 69 brake horsepower. One of the most reliable engines ever made, I would suggest. Extremely reliable Toyota motor. £190 a year to tax. It's in a very low insurance group and well over 50 miles to the gallon on a combined run, so it really is the ultimate first time car or daily run around. And it's got a nice spec on this X-Play model as well, as we have a look inside. Nice cloth interior with the charcoal and the lighter grey. All in really good shape. Car's in lovely condition throughout. All the door cards in good shape. Electric front windows. It's got its original Aygo carpet mats. Electronically adjustable door mirrors. Up onto the steering wheel, again in really good shape. You've got controls for your Bluetooth. You've got radio controls there. You've got a speed limiter down below. Manual handbrake. 5-speed manual gearbox with this nice chrome top to it. Then down below a couple of cup holders. 12-volt socket. USB with auxiliary. In the glove box we've got all your handbooks. And I'll start the car up. Battling with the sun. Spring has sprung today. Lovely. 14,500 miles, over half a tank of fuel as well. My goodness. Air conditioning, of course. We've got this really straightforward infotainment system. So you've got DAB digital radio. You've also got Android Auto and Apple CarPlay through a USB. Bluetooth for your telephone. And if I put the car into reverse, you've got a nice big reversing camera at the back as well. So really well appointed for a small car. Like I said, you've got that 5-door practicality on this model. Into the back again, you've got your carpet mats. Pop-out rear windows. 2 headrests with 2 seat belts. Isofix, of course, for child seats. So it's a 4-seater vehicle. Quite a square shape, so you do actually get more space than you might think for a small car. And then round to the load space at the back. Split folding rear seats, little parcel shelf there, and then a really usable boot space. Obviously it's not massive, but it goes down quite a long way. And underneath the luxury of a spare wheel. So there we have it. September 2019 Toyota Aygo X-Play, 1 litre with a manual gearbox, 14,000 miles, full service history, nice spec with the Apple CarPlay, reversing camera, air conditioning and so on. Finance is available from less than £160 a month based on a 10% deposit, and the car will come supplied with a fresh advisory, free MOT along with 2 keys, plus our standard 6-month nationwide covered in-house supplied warranty. And we do work on an appointment only basis, so if you would like to come and view, please do get in touch. Our telephone number is 01989 769 900. You can also contact us via email, sales@bowensgarage.co.uk. And for any more information, registration number, insurance groups and specific technical specs, do have a look at the website www.bowensgarage.co.uk. Cracking low mileage example, really nice colour. This will be popular. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next.